Hello, my name is Vilaywon. I'm from Laos, and today I would like to share about using sign language for the beginner, the alphabet from A to Z. So I'll use sign language also. Just in case someone, some deaf who come and check my video, they know what I am doing. Okay, so this is hello, my name is V. So in English spell like Vilaywon. So that is my name, Vilaywon, and I am from Laos. So today I want to share about sign language, the basic one from the letter from A to Z. Let's see how to use in sign language. So start from A. This is letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So I hope you get to know something about sign language, the letter from A to Z. And bye bye.